A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice. J for jellyfish. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for 9. O for orange. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for toy. U for unicorn. V for volcano. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.